On March 16, 2023, two 50-ton direct cooling block ice machines were loaded in a mighty manner, ready to set off for the ice factory of a Chinese customer. Two super-long medium-sized flatbed trucks are lined up, ready to go, as spectacular as an army, which is very exciting. Number of machines, 250T direct cooling block ice machines capacity, 50 tons per day, twice a day ice cube weight, 50 kilograms each configuration, integrated aluminum alloy ice mold, Hanbell screw compressor, evaporative condenser, R404 refrigerant, automatic ice pusher, remote monitoring and control. With strong technical accumulation and innovative spirit, Zexshare has won the favor of the Chinese market, and our market share is far ahead of other brands. Since we developed the first direct cooling block ice machine in China, we have made unremitting efforts and innovations, and with the spirit of craftsmen, we have continuously improved the functions and quality of the equipment, and brought the direct cooling technology to the extreme. With perfect products, completely conquered the hearts of Chinese consumers. The 50T ice machine has a length of 18 meters. However, our unique design uses an integrated ice mold to maximize the strength of the high-strength aluminum alloy plate to ensure that the evaporator does not deform. This technology has not yet been achieved or surpassed by any company. In 2022, the actual order delivery volume of our factory has doubled compared to 2021. In 2023, we still maintain a very strong growth momentum. In just 2 months, the number of equipment ordered by customers has reached more than 70 units. After the long Chinese New Year holiday, the factory resumed operation. The whole factory is very busy, and the workers basically work in 3 shifts, taking a day off on weekends to rush to make orders from customers. All after-sales engineers are outside to install and debug equipment for customers. In many cases, as soon as a project is completed, they immediately fly to the next construction site. The trust of customers is our responsibility. It is the mission entrusted to us by customers to complete customers' orders in a timely and excellent manner and deliver perfect equipment to customers.